Okay, first step, just like before, we need to take this system of equations and we need to write it as a matrix. So we're going to have an x column, y column, a z column, and then we're going to augment our matrix and have what these values are equal to. So go through, pull out the coefficients for each equation. 5x minus 20z. Oh, sorry, see, look, I messed up even when I said that. Notice there's no y term in that first equation, so we have to put a 0 there. So 5x plus 0y minus 20z equals negative 10. See, so if you say things out loud, you can actually catch yourself for making a silly mistake. Now do the second equation. 3x plus 2y plus 5z equals 29. And finally, the third one, 1x minus 3y minus 1z equals positive 8. Just like before, we want to go ahead and enter this into our calculator. So to do that, go ahead and turn your calculator on. And just like before, you need to hit the second button first, and then go into your matrix option, which is the X inverse button. Now, instead of leaving the matrix from the last problem in there, let's just go ahead and edit over the top of it, because our matrix is going to be the same size. We just need to change the numbers. So again, you hit second matrix to get in there, hit the arrow button to the right twice to get to the edit option, and we want to edit matrix A. So hit enter. It'll still be a 3x4 matrix as it says up at the top, so just hit enter twice and it'll put you down for your first term of that matrix. And now we just want to enter just like we have before. So hit 5 and enter, and then hit 0 and enter, and then hit negative 20 and enter, and negative 10, etc. and go through for each of these terms. Every time you hit enter, it will automatically put you at the next point. So 3, enter, 2, enter, 5, enter, 29. And then finally, 1, negative 3, negative 1, positive 8. And then now, just like before, you need to hit second, and you need to quit back out to the home screen. But if you haven't done anything since the last problem, you should still have the previous answer to the last problem on there. It should say ref A and then have your augmented matrix. A little shortcut to make this a little easier is, instead of going back through and getting the ref option and then getting the matrix again, just hit the second button and then hit the enter button all the way at the bottom, and ref A will come up again, but we change the values of matrix A to those values. So all you have to do is hit enter again, and it'll spit your answer out on the screen. And you should get this matrix. Again, your answer is is a reduced and augmented matrix, so you get a bunch of zeros, a bunch of ones, and then all your answers are in the right column in the same order. So you get x is 6.772 when we round it to 3 decimal places. Y is negative 1.14 when we round it to 3 decimal places. And Z is 2.193 when we round it to 2 decimal places. And we're done.